Today I'm going to talk about the all-time favorite snacks. You can have it either in breakfast as well, along with the chole ki sabji or aloo ki sabji. Yes, we're going to talk about the kachori. It's a Khasta Kachori which is got familiar and originated in Uttar Pradesh. Evenly it got distributed to in Rajasthan. It's quite familiar in Rajasthan as well. In Rajasthan, the Piyaz ki Kachori along with a hint of hing, which is very familiar in the Rajasthan part of India. Hey guys, welcome to Passionate Kitchen, cooked with Chef Hafiz. Today I'm going to make a Khasta Moong Dal Kachori in our kitchen today. So let's begin to see what are the ingredients I'm going to use to make a Khasta Kachori. Have 500 grams of Maida, 100 grams of ghee and salt to taste, and then water as required. Add salt and flour. Then mix it along with the flour before adding the ghee. Now add the ghee, rub the flour. And now I'm gonna add water little by little to make a dough as it's required. Just wanted to give a small suggestion out here. Just rub the flour and before you making a dough, then only your kachori remains in khasta. Make a dough nice and soft. Once the dough is ready, just cover it and keep it in room temperature for 20 minutes. If you like our video, give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe and click bell icon and press all button to get all our upcoming videos. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the stuffing for the kachori. Let's have oil, fennel seeds, onion, green chilli, red chilli powder, turmeric, coriander leaves and boiled moong dal and then salt. Let's have an oil in a fry pan. Once the oil is heated up, then add fennel seeds. Fry the fennel seeds lightly golden brown color, then add chopped onions. Fry the chopped onions nicely. Then add chopped green chilies and fry together. Now we're gonna add pinch of turmeric powder and then chili powder. Fry all these masalas till the raw flavor of these masalas goes off. Now we're gonna season with the salt and a masala. Then I'm gonna add the boiled moong dal, the moong dal which we made and kept boiled. Then we're gonna fry it along with the masalas. As long as you're frying, your kachori is gonna shelf life of the kachoris will be longer. Fry the moong dal longer period. Let's roast it. Once it's get roasted and dried, then add chopped coriander leaves. Check the seasoning of the. Take out the dough and massage the dough gently. Now we're going to make a pedas out of it. Make a small portions of peda for stuffing. So once the pedas are ready, spread the pedas with the help of your thumb and just do stuff the moong dal mixture inside the spreaded pedas and cover it nicely on the top end. You have to ensure that top end should be covered tightly, then only the mixture will not come out while you are frying it. Then spread out the mixture decently in a flattened way. Do the same process for remaining doughs. Once the stuffing has been done, just organize it in a platter. Then we're gonna have a oil on a very low heat. Then we're gonna drop it one by one and fry it in a very low heat.
approximately takes around 12 to 15 minutes to cook it.
Most oftenly, it will be get served during a snacks along with a cup of tea, or there are many times, as I said, it gets served during a breakfast. You can have it an entire day. There is no restriction on any meal period for particularly in kachori. There are times the kachori can be served as a chaat as well.
One thing we have to be carefully remember while frying kachoris, it should be fried in very low heat, then only your kachoris will puff up. If you put it in a high heat, the kachoris will not be puff up, only the color comes inside, it will not be get cooked. Fry the kachoris till golden brown color in a very low heat. It takes at least 12 to 15 minutes to get that nice khasta texture. Kachoris can be served with hara chutney, which is based off mint and coriander, and you can serve it along with the imli chutney, sweet tamarind chutney. It's a lovely winter snack. You can try it with your tea along with a little bit of fried green chilies to give the hint of spiciness. You're gonna really enjoy the weather along with the hot kachoris. Let's try it out. How the kachori, how khasta it is. Outside it has very crispy texture, and his inside, which is very khasta. You can see the moong dal which is inside. Let's try it out with the mint chutney.
So it has so softness. It is very khasta. It goes really well with the mint chutney. And let me try with the tamarind chutney, the sweet tamarind chutney. I'm just dipping inside. It's delicious.